Hello everyone, welcome to Beauty Attraction. Today I am going to tell you how to get your radiance fast. Let's get started. Skin. Applying ice is an effective shock treatment for fatigued morning skin. It acts like a toner to restore your natural pH balance, and it shrinks pores. If you suffer from puffy eyes in the morning, remember not to drink lots of liquid before bed. In the morning, soothe tired, swollen eyes with cotton pads dipped in rose water. Place it on the eyelids. It is very effective and it will instantly reduce puffiness. Hair. Papaya is very good for dull, lifeless hair. Mash papaya in a bowl and apply it on your hair. Leave it for 10 to 15 minutes. It is a good conditioner, gives shine, adds body and renews life to hair. Thank you for watching Beauty Attraction. Do subscribe to my channel and click the bell icon for more updates.